today's the day we finally get married. We've worked incredibly hard to get to this point, and I can't wait to make it official. As you know, I'm not one for many words, but I felt it was only right that I pen this letter to you.
Happy wedding day to my soon-to-be husband. I can't believe this day is finally here. To say that I am marrying the love of my life is an understatement. I can't imagine life without you by my side. You're my best friend, my biggest supporter, and the best dad to our kiddies, Tuck and Theo.
I can honestly say that I am one of the luckiest guys on the planet to have found someone as beautiful, caring, funny, and honest like you are. It sounds cliche, but you really are one in a million.
You have helped me grow in so many ways throughout these past 6 years. Every day you make me want to be a better person and achieve the best that I can and get the most out of this life.
I can't wait to see you walk through that door this afternoon in your wedding dress. You're going to be the most beautiful bride. I'm so excited to start this new chapter in my life with you, and it starts tonight. Enjoy your time with the girls today, and I'll see you soon. Love always and forever, Robbie.
You have taught me to stress less and enjoy the little moments life throws at us. Now let's start this forever journey today, rain or shine. I can't wait to grow old with you, laugh with you, and enjoy all this life has to offer with you. I love you to the moon and back.
We gather here today in the presence of God, family, and friends to witness and bless this most holy and cherished union. The decision between two people to live a life of faithfulness to each other, to honor each other, and to care for each other. And by your attendance, I ask each and every one of you to bless them in their choice of marriage. Marriage is an honored vocation, a calling for two people to bond together in love and commitment.
I, Robert, take you, Amanda, to be my wife. I promise to always be your biggest fan and your partner in crime. I promise to create and support a family with you, in a household filled with laughter, patience, understanding, and love, and probably some cats. I vow not to grow old together, but to grow together. I will love you faithfully through the difficult and easy. What may come, I will always be there. Each one believing that love never dies. As I have given you my hand to hold, so I give you my life to keep.
I, Amanda, take you, Robbie, to be my husband. I promise to always be your biggest fan and your partner in crime. I promise to create and support a family with you, in a household filled with laughter, patience, understanding, and love, and also a bunch of cats and dogs and all that.
No gerbils.
Yes, gerbils. I vow not to just grow old together, but to grow together. I will love you faithfully through the difficult and the easy. What may come, I will always be there. Each one believing that love never dies. As I have given you my hand to hold, so I give you my life to keep.